Unlock the power of sound with mesmerizing audio spectrum visualizations in Capcut. First, open your Capcut project and make sure your video and audio track are loaded. We'll be focusing on how to make this audio come alive visually. Navigate to the Effects tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the magic happens for visual enhancements. Within video effects, you'll find various categories. We're looking for something that reacts to sound. So let's explore. Scroll down until you see the rhythm category. Here, you'll find effects designed to sync with your audio. Look for something like beat sync or an effect that mentions audio reactivity. Click on it to select it. Once selected, drag this effect directly onto your video clip in the timeline above your audio track. Now, with the effect selected on the timeline, look over to the right-hand panel. Here you'll see adjustment options for this effect. You'll likely see an option to sync to audio, or a similar setting. Make sure this is enabled or toggled on. You can now fine-tune the appearance of your audio spectrum. Experiment with the sliders to control its size, color, intensity, and animation. For instance, increasing the scale might make the waveform bigger, while changing the color will alter its hue. As you scrub through your timeline or play back your video, you'll see the audio spectrum visually pulse and react to the beats and volume of your soundtrack. Once you're happy with the look, simply export your video to share your professionally enhanced audio-visual content. And that's how you create stunning audio spectrums in Capcut to make your videos truly sing.